Hello and welcome. I hope you're all having an awesome day. In this How to Draw video, we're going to be drawing Mr. Potato from Peppa Pig. So we hope you follow along and have lots of fun. Are you ready to get started?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so first thing with Mr. Potato is he wears a really cool hat. So let's draw his hat.
Like a jelly.
It looks like, I think it's meant to be like a cowboy hat, but it does look a bit of a jelly. So we're going to draw the rim of the hat first. So we draw
a line?
Just a line here, like that. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the actual hat part, and it looks like an upside down W.
Yeah.
So we go around there like that, so one bump, and then do another bump like that.
You know it's actually a M.
Yeah, or an M. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so that's his hat. And the next thing we'll do is his body, and he's a potato, so he's not perfectly round. He's a little bit wobbly and wonky on some parts, so you can kind of draw that whatever shape you like. But one side is kind of round, and we'll go down a nice big shape, and then I'll make it a little bit wonky here and there, and that's his body for Mr. Potato. Very good. Alright, so next thing we'll draw is his eyes, and his eyes are really simple. It's just
a dot?
Yeah, it's just two circles like this.
1, 2.
Yeah. Alright, and next we're going to do he's got a little moustache, so we're going to draw that like a shape like this, kind of like a bit of a banana. We'll colour that in a different colour later. Yeah, and we'll do one on the other side.
I'm doing it a different way.
Yeah, that's fine. And then a smile as well. Do a nice shape like that, and we can colour that in. Okay, and let's draw his arms. Nice easy arms, a kind of stick figure arms like that. So one on that side.
1 and then 2.
And then a second one on the other side here. And his feet, pretty straightforward. It's just a line for his leg and then another line for his foot, and we'll do the same on the other side there as well. Alright, so that's Mr. Potato. Now it's time to colour in. And we're back. So we've finished colouring in Mr. Potato, and they look really great. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you had lots of fun. And if you want to see more of our Peppa Pig characters, we've got quite a few more of those on our channel, so check those out. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!